dinner. Today is all seafood. So my father-in-law just went fishing on Sunday and caught quite a few fishes. So he gave us two, which I'm going to cook today. Two snappers. I think this is a Spanish snapper. Spanish snapper. It's a golden snapper. Small fish, but should be delicious. Caught on Sunday, just like 2 days ago. So I'm gonna cook this, fry this with Thai garlic and maybe some mustard. I'm also gonna make a soup with some flower crabs that I bought this morning from Tekka Market. 2 flower crabs. There's not much meat, but this has great flavor and a very nice sort of crabby flavor. Beautiful for soups. This cost me like $8 from Tekka Market. This is where all the flavor comes from. It'll make delicious soup. So the fish has been cleaned and gutted already, so just gonna make some slits. So I'm gonna use this clay pot to make the soup. Put some water in first, start boiling. Roughly about 3.5 liters of water. So for the soup ingredients, I'm actually going to put some garlic. I'll just smash this and then throw it in. Ginger. Enoki mushroom. And I'm actually going to throw a few strips of kombu in. Kelp, dried kelp, Japanese dried kelp. And some fuchuk. Love fuchuk. It's a favorite soup ingredient. Hydrate the bean curd, the fuchuk. Bean curd and seafood goes really well. Usually my dad makes bean curd with fish, with a fish head soup. But I'm gonna make it with flower crab. Just put some kombu in as well. Soak it lightly. 4 pieces. I'm actually going to put this into the soup as well. Cashew nuts, raw cashew nuts. So soak this as well. Water is hot. Garlic, smashed garlic, ginger, crab, flower crab. Kombu, fuchuk, and the cashew nuts. Finally, the enoki mushrooms. And then simmer for an hour and a half, 90 minutes. So for the fried fish, I'm gonna season it with salt, sea salt, bit of ground ginger, one of the key ingredients, mustard seed, black mustard seed, maybe a bit of garlic salt, maybe. The other main ingredient is these small fragrant Thai garlic smashed, and then we'll fry it together with the fish. So these are really small. This Thai garlic is really small, so no need to I won't remove the skin. I'll just smash it. So now I'll just finish the soup off with some Chinese wine, Hoa Tiêu Jiu, and a bit more bean curd, a bit more fu chuk, because the batch I put earlier has dissolved into the soup and made it milky. Give it that milky sort of flavor and texture. So the Hoa Tiêu Jiu sweetens it up a bit. So just sit for another few more minutes and then it's done. Correct. So I'm going to fry the fish with coconut oil.